Adapter.
Yes.
Okay, we're back. Today it's Wednesday. Yeah, yes. Wednesday. Not many of you know, but Richard is working at Skanska Rental. So he managed to help us to rent this floor grinder, the vacuum cleaner, and also the angle grinder. This is made for concrete as well. So we're going to use that to smoothen out some of this stuff that's in the edges of the shop. So I think it's going to be good. So as you might have guessed, today's plan is to do a pass of all the floor, just light grinding to make it a bit more rough and make the paint stick better to it. So that's the paint today. Let's get to work and hopefully everything works out good. Adapter.
Ha? Nej, det här är fan ingen adapter direkt. Det var det.
Well, there we go. The grinder, the app. Yeah.
The grinder, yeah.
Yeah. So it's done, as you can see. You did a pass all over the floor, and yeah, it seems to be good. So tomorrow I'm going to try to find out if we should add a primer or like a dust sealer, because I heard that might help with the paint for the floor will last longer if we have a primer or a dust binder before. So we're gonna ask for some tip, you know what's called English?
Advices.
Advice, yeah. For some advice and see what happens. But that's tomorrow's work.
Yeah.
Good work today.
The same. And Sebastian.
I didn't do much.
Sebastian was here.
Yeah, Sebastian.
Did, all the footage is on Sebastian, but I did the hard work.
Yeah, you're the one that worked hard. But we need the content as well, so that's good. So yeah, that's it for today. See you. Se mig arbeta där. What's up?
Jävlar.
Okay, so we're back today again. It's today is Thursday. We're supposed to put a dust sealer on the floor, but after recommendations from the color company, we don't need to. So today we bought a thinner to apply on the first coating, because when we put the first round of paint on, it's better to get it to stuck better into the pores of the floor. So that's the idea. So we bought some masks to stay safe. Also picked up the fan so we can remove some of the worst fumes in here. So not much more to say. Let's get to work and make this floor pop.
Klappa.
What's up, guys? We're back in the shop. As you saw in the last clips, me and Rickard did one layer of floor paint. Then we let it sit for a couple of days, and after that Sebastian and Eric went here and put down the second layer. So I'm here today because I'm going to use some of the paint that we saved. We actually saved 1 liter just to be able to fix spots like this. This is something they had to leave without painting, because otherwise they couldn't get out the door. The easiest that. And also going to try to better up some small stuff, and later on we're going to these are going to be moved inwards, so that's a spot that we have to cover with paint. So I'm going to use the half liter today, try to cover that with 1 layer extra, and then I'm going to be using this one to create a clean line with the door open, so you get a clean cut off with the paint, and it looks good. So that's kind of the idea today. Also I might paint this, because this is one of the spots that has been bleeding through that we haven't fixed yet, so I haven't actually seen it before, so I'm gonna try to do that as well. We'll see what we have time and energy for, but that's the main plan for today. But overall it looks amazing. Just look at the transformation. Quite insane to think that almost less than 1 month, no, like 3 weeks ago, this entire shop was pink, covered in sheet metal. We had an office there and some other stuff, but yeah, insane. So much work, but it's starting to pay off, and we're starting to see some progress, so that's really fun. So yeah, let's get to work and see what happens. Ja, när vi blandade första batchen, då började jag dra still ut när vi kom hit, och jävlar och pressade vi borstarna inte. Det var inte en uns kvar och färdigt sen. Hallå Jimmy.
Tjena. Lite höger här nu.
Ja. Okay, so we're done for today. I managed to put a layer of paint inside the gate, or what you call it, so that's good. So let that gonna dry. We fixed that pillar, we put a layer of paint there and there. So that was kind of the things I wanted to do today, so that's good. So let's get back to it. Bye bye. What's up guys, we're back in the shop. Today me and Emil are here before the other guys. They are a bit hungover, but that's okay. The thing we have on the list today is to fix this. This is going to be our storage. Most of the storage will be on that shelf. The thing is, we don't want any like legs or supports going down here, because we are going to have cars sitting here. So the idea is to get rid of that and get it to hang from the ceiling instead. So today we picked up some threaded, I don't know what it's called, but it's like threaded rods instead. So this is M12. So the idea is today we're going to drill through the beams up there, and we're going to weld some structures up there. So that way we get it to hang from the ceiling, and hopefully get it strong enough to get all of the stuff up on the storage. So that's the idea. Let's get changed and make it happen. He didn't even die. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Får du trycka lite mer så blir det lite bättre kanske.
Well, that wraps up 2 days to work with the storage part. So we're pretty much done. And the thing we have done is that we removed the supports that were outside on the floor. So now we have moved them to be hanging from the ceiling instead. That's what the plates were for. And also we added 3 new support from the back. So when everything is loaded up, we will have the most pressure here, and also from these three. So it seems like it's really rigid and good so far. So hopefully it can withstand all the things we will put on it. So that's good. So that's pretty much it for today. It's been a long day, and also I almost forgot one thing. Sebastian and Eric has started to close this up, so it looks really good. The idea is to cover this up with plasterboard as well to make it fireproof, because we're going to have a bench here with welding and stuff, so we want to keep that safe. We're also going to be probably put some kind of sheet that we can pull over here when we're welding to make sure the windows don't get hurt. So that's kind of the idea. So it's been a productive 2 days. Really excited about it. So yeah, we're getting really close to moving stuff into the garage, and it feels really good. So right now it's the 26th? No? 27th of January. So on the 15th of February we have to be completely moved out of the old shop and in here. So we're closing in on finishing this project, and it feels really good. So that's it for today. Talk to you soon.